Hello friends, day 146 and I've reached the end. 2,635 miles later, I'm back at Land's End and I have had a fabulous time. I've met so many lovely people, but this is not the end. If you've been following the story on YouTube, keep watching because I'm going to do some more videos about it. Today I've just done 4 miles and I had a lovely reception at Land's End. You'll see in the video shortly, lots of people there, and Sam from Hope and Homes for Children was there and he'd organised a cheering committee for me. So I'm going to pass you over to Sam, who's going to tell you a bit about what he does. So meanwhile, I will see you on the trail.
Hi, so I'm Sam from Hope and Homes for Children. I've been down here today to cheer Chris in from his amazing challenge. So it's a really exciting journey. I started at Hope and Homes for Children only in June, so Chris has been one of my first supporters that I've taken through the journey. So it's been really exciting to work with Chris over the last few months. Been checking in on the phone with him, watching his YouTube videos, of course, like this one. It's really exciting to feature him one. And yeah, just generally supporting him on the journey. So it's been really exciting. At Hope and Homes for Children, I work with supporters like Chris. I work with people doing running events like the London Marathon, cycling events, swims like the Swim Serpentine in September, and just generally supporting people to raise as much money as possible for Hope and Homes for Children. I also do a few talks out in the community to raise awareness of the issue and generally tell people about what we do. So it's an absolutely brilliant job and has brought me down here to Land's End today. It's been great. So Hope and Homes for Children is a charity that brings children back to family. So we work in 9 countries across the world at the moment to work sustainably to build up the communities and help get orphanages and help bring children back to families. 80% of children currently living in orphanages actually have families, so our job is to get them back to those families and then help set up sustainable solutions for children that can't return to their families as well. So whether that's foster care, family-based centres for children, or adoption as well. So yeah, it's a really brilliant charity.